Hello, hi guys. I welcome you to Smart Kida Current Affairs Mock Test 27th March. Government of India has fully exited from which company by selling its outstanding 26.12% stake in it for rupees 8846 crore? The correct answer is TCS. So the government has exited from TCS Communications, the Department of Investment and Public Asset Management (DAPIM) said on Monday. Niti Aayog has set up how many task forces for achieving policy certainty in contract enforcement dispute resolution? The correct answer is 2. The government has set up two high-level task forces, one under Niti Aayog Vice Chairman Rajiv Kumar and the other under its CEO Amitabh Kant to lay a roadmap for the enforcement of contracts and conciliation mechanism respectively. This will aim to improve the fast-track infrastructure development in the country and reduce the dispute over contracts. Gandhi Peace Prize 2020 is going to be conferred to whom in special gesture? The correct answer for the same is Sheikh Mujibur Rahman. So the Sheikh Mujibur Rahman is going to be conferred on Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur. The Gandhi Peace Prize is going to be conferred on Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman, the Culture Ministry has said today. The prestigious prize for the year 2009 was conferred on the late Sultan Qaboos bin Said Al Saud of Oman in recognition of his visits to strengthen relations with India and in efforts to promote peace and non-violence in the Gulf region. Reserve Bank of India has set up a 5-member standing external advisory committee, which is headed by which person for evaluating application for universal bank and small finance banks? Kindly tell, the answer is Shamla Gopinath. So Shamla Gopinath is going to head it. This is a 5-member external advisory committee to evaluate banking applications. Which disaster relief agency has launched a catastrophe bond for volcano-related disasters to quickly get aid to those suffering after the eruption of 10 named volcanoes in Indonesia and 6 other countries? The correct answer for the same is Danish Red Cross. So Danish Red Cross is a disaster relief agency and has launched a catastrophe bond. The Danish Red Cross is launching the $3 million bond with the support of several financial firms. It enables quick relief to the named volcanoes in Cameroon, Chile, Colombia, Ecuador, Guatemala, and Mexico. United Nations Office for Project Services and Denmark partnered to provide technical support for Jal Jeevan Mission in which state? Correct answer for the same is Uttar Pradesh. So in Uttar Pradesh, they are helping to bring tap water connections to 11 water-scarce districts like Bundelkhand and Vidya regions under the Jal Jeevan Mission. This project has $1 million budget for 2021 but is likely to be scaled up in the following years according to UNOPS. The project will include capacity building support, creation of village action plan, community mobilization and grassroots water quality monitoring. Which state has become the first state in the country to have its own ethanol policy called the Ethanol Production Promotion Policy, which has been approved by the cabinet? Kindly give your answer. The correct answer for the same is Bihar. Bihar is going to come with the new ethanol policy. The new policy will permit ethanol production in Bihar from all feedstocks permitted by National Policy on Biofuels and subsequently by the National Biofuel Coordination Committee. Ministry of Defence has signed a contract with Mahindra Defence Systems for supply of how many light specialist vehicles to the Indian Army at the cost of 1056 crore, providing further boost to Make in India. The correct answer for the same is, I guess so, 1300. So the 1300 light specialist vehicles to the army will be provided. The induction of the vehicles is going to be completed in 4 years. This was said by Ministry of Defence in a statement. Who among the following has released the Compendium on Consumer Price Index for industrial workers? The correct answer for the same is our Labour Minister Santosh Gangwar. Union Minister of State of Labour and Employment Shri Santosh Kumar Gangwar today released the Compendium on Consumer Price Index for industrial workers. Government of India has formed how many committees to drive India to a circular economy? Correct answer for the same is 11. 11 committees have been formed to drive India into a circular economy. The committees will be led by concerned line ministry and will comprise officials from Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Exchange, Niti Aayog, domain experts, academics and industry representatives. Who among the following has launched Jal Shakti Abhiyan Catch the Rain campaign on occasion of World Water Day? Kindly give the answer. The correct answer for the same is Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi. He has launched and he has said that self-reliance is dependent on water security and water connectivity. Prime Minister also interacted in this conference with Sarpanches and Ward Punches of Rajasthan, Uttarakhand, Karnataka, Maharashtra and Gujarat. TRIFED and which state government have entered into a memorandum of understanding for the implementation of the MFP scheme and Vandhan Yojana in the state? Kindly give the answer. Correct answer for the same is Arunachal Pradesh. So they have signed the MOU with the government of Arunachal Pradesh for the implementation of MSP and MFP scheme and Vandhan Yojana. As a part of its mission to improve livelihoods of the tribals and work towards tribal empowerment, TRIFED has been carrying out several programs and initiatives. 2021 World Tuberculosis Day was observed on which date? Kindly give the answer. The correct answer for the same is on 24th March it was observed. Previously TB was a leading cause of death, but nowadays most cases are cured with antibiotics. You have to just take medication for at least 6 to 9 months. New species of diatoms named Epithemia agarkari discovered in which river? Kindly give the name. Correct answer I guess is Mula river. So the new species of diatoms were discovered in the Mula river. This was a first. A team of international researchers has discovered new species of diatom living in the fresh water flowing stream Mulshi Dam in Pune district. Which of the following states has launched 38 satellites from 18 countries into orbit on Soyuz Z-2.1A rocket? Kindly answer. Correct answer for the same is Russia's State Corporation for State Activities, Roscosmos, has launched it. The Soyuz 2.1 rocket with Fregat upper stage and 38 satellites from 18 countries lifted off from Baikonur Cosmodrome. Which agency has demonstrated quantum communication over a distance of 300 meters for the first time? Kindly give the answer. The correct answer for the same is ISRO. So ISRO has first pre-space quantum communication over 300 meters was demonstrated. This is a very important discovery. This is a very important achievement. Which of the following agencies has established an e-tendering portal Pranit, which will lead to less paperwork and ease of operation, making the tendering process more transparent? Power Grid Corporation of India. So Power Grid Corporation has launched the e-tendering portal Pranit to lead to less paperwork. It has been certified by Standardization, Testing and Quality Certification Directorate, Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology, Government of India. Which firm has signed an agreement to acquire a controlling stake held by promoters in Gangavaram Port Limited? Correct answer for the same is Adani Ports. So Adani Ports has signed the agreement for controlling stake. India's largest port operator signed an agreement with DVS Raju and family to acquire a 58.1% stake in multi-cargo facility for rupees 3,604 crore. Fitch has revised India's GDP growth to what percent from the previous 11% on the back of stronger carryover effect? Correct answer for the same is 12.8% from 11%. Who among the following has represented India at the World Summit on Information Society Forum? Correct answer for the same is Sanjay Shamarao Dhotre. Sanjay Shamarao Dhotre has representing India at the World Summit on Information Society Forum 2021. Thank you very much for attending the class. I'll be back with the Hindi video of the same. Thank you.